just create a new one. Not that hard. Alright guys, so I accidentally ended the video instead of unpausing it. So we're in sorry about that. There was a stupid frog in my throat. Anyway, we're in Elijah, shh. I never asked you to speak.
Remember videos when you constantly do that.
What?
Tell him to be quiet.
Well, he keeps interrupting me.
A lot of people like gaming videos. Not gaming. Because the gaming videos get at least 500,000 views.
Well, I'm a nerd, so. You know what, Elijah, you can talk. I'm not gonna ruin my video anymore. Just don't be crazy, okay? And don't interrupt me when I'm trying to narrate. Road work 1 mile.
I did it!
Didn't they already see the other video we made?
Yep. Well, I didn't upload it, so these videos are probably gonna be these videos aren't gonna be uploaded until a couple days later, so nothing is gonna be uploaded. So if you see this, it's not uploaded till a few days later. So you're actually
Like a few years.
Elijah.
Just making a cool joke. I completed level.
Good, you completed the level. That's good. Everyone clap for Elijah. I'm gonna clap with my phone.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna actually clap because I didn't do the video, but I was like,
I am
Road worker hat. Dad,
myself.
you went here for about 26 years, correct?
Yes.
Has this New Mexico 4 road ever been closed? The 26 years.
Nope.
Yes.
New Mexico. Elijah, I was asking Dad a serious question. But it's like, so this road has never been closed. The 26 years he has gone here. This road that we're on has never been closed.
That makes no sense.
Well, like, I mean, it's a main road. Like, it's the main road that takes you to everything.
And there's a school like back there, so.
Yeah, they never close it up here. They never, except in Via Calera, there's like, it closes up there in winter.
I'm so good at this.
But it's like my last 2 days of summer break and I'm spending it camping.
It's almost harder. It's like,
Plus, we can't go 2 nights because we'd have to wake up early in the morning and then go to school. Like the first day of school, I'll come out with a pine tree sticking out of my head like, hey people! Hello kids! Funny story.
funny story.
I went camping and a pine tree fell on my head and now I look like I'm on. Alright, yeah.
Wait, what do we say?
Oh, they're working on the bridge.
What do we say to the video?
Maybe that's why there's debris in the river.
What?
It's like they're
What's
making a
on
new
this
one.
script again?
Yep.
What's on the script?
Elijah, guys, I told you not to talk about the script. Beep.
Show an ad.
Make sure to.
Yeah, I think that's why there is debris in there, in the river. Cause like,
Show it that.
I can't show an ad. I don't have 4,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours.
What if you add 5 million subscribers?
Bro, I don't know how it takes. How many
Give
subscribers?
me all them coins. Give me
Dude,
all
like,
of them
that's like-
coins.
What did you just
Give
say?
me all of them coins.
You just said the. I think he just said the D word.
No, give me
Bro, you're
all
gonna get my shit. You gonna get
them.
my.
I said them.
Oh. No wonder there was debris in the Hemis River. It was because they're building a new bridge.
What's
The
that
construction.
smell?
People
Fire.
fishing there?
Fire!
No, it's gas.
Oh. I thought it was fire.
Fire!
Ooh, got chocolate.
What?
My favorite food is chocolate. What's your favorite food? Yes.
Fire!
No, it's not.
Fire!
Like, that's a meme that my friend showed me. It's like, my favorite food's chocolate. What's your favorite food? Gasoline. That's not a food. And there's I'm getting copyrighted. I'm gonna get copyrighted. But, yeah, we're starting to actually get into the mountains.
I win! Stop.
Do.
Stop.
do. Da 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 da. I'm Peppa Pig. Whatever. I'm stupid. I'm not stupid, but I'm not stupid. I just not. I not stupid. It's not stupid.
So cold.
Stay cold. Stay cold. Stay cold, kids. Just kidding. Just kidding.
Was
Just.
frozen out?
Is she doing
frozen.
T-pose?
Bradley, I said don't talk about the script.
Is she doing T-pose?
I said don't talk about the. Oh look, there's a cloud up there. Not scripted at all. I sound like that was scripted. I said no script. I said no script. Keeping it real, kids. Keeping it real. I mean, like, I'm filming my face in the mirror because I don't know, because I'm weird. I'm weird as heck. You know what? We're all weird. Everyone who subscribed to me is weird.
What? How can you say that?
Bro, Bradley, you didn't subscribe. Everyone's weird. Everyone's different, so that makes them weird. I don't want to be normal. Neither do you. Wants to be
normal.
Ew, normal. Ew, normal.
I want to be unique.
Ew, normal. Ew.
I said you.
No, I said unique.
No, I said unique.
No, I said unique.
No, I said unique.
And I said stop arguing.
No, you didn't say that. First time you said that. Get off. Get off.
Bob.
Get off of me.
What?
Get off of me.
What?
Get off of me.
And by the way, I have shorter hair. I haven't uploaded in forever, so I haven't uploaded my face in forever.
Get off of me. That's good.
Come on.
Like, yes.
Why
Yes. Yes. Heck,
guys, stop.
yes.
Can you guys stop arguing?
Yes.
Thank you.
Stop.
Let's see, stop skating.
No, just no unlesses. Just stop. Unlesses are very bad things.
Okay.
Okay, thanks. Some people actually need to listen for once. Just call me on the telephone. Whatever you need, man. This is a little bit of a gaming video, so it's gonna get a little bit more views. It's a Game Mountain video. See what I did there? No. Of course you don't. That's...
You better get that.
Baby, I am baby.
It's all foggy. It's not really raining anymore. It's just all foggy now.
I'm freezing. Can someone lend me a jacket?
I think a person, I'm not gonna say his name or what we call him, but it rhymes with Gad, is wearing my jacket.
Dad?
Dad is wearing my jacket.
Daddy? Is he daddy?
Yes, it's Dad. Yes, Dad is wearing my jacket.
Daddy.
He'll probably take it off in a little bit. I don't know.
Any minute now, you could take it off. Any minute.
Well, we're all free. Well, I'm not really that cold anymore. I only was at the
Any
beginning.
minute he's gonna take it off.
Elijah, stop. It was funny. It was funny the first 400 times.
Wait, count
No, I didn't count it.
It's an exaggeration.
See, even Elijah understands.
4 times.
I said 400 times.
Ah.
It might have been 4 times actually, if you think about it. No.
Shit rock.
All ship rock? Yep. There's no one there. Surprisingly.
Are we almost there?
No.
What?
No.
Are you
Yeah, this is why I didn't make the "Are we there yet" joke. Because we already have we already have people that'll say, "Are we there yet?"
Are you sure, Daddy?
I'm more sure than him, and I say no. We're not almost there. We have two more. We have 2 more roads after this road.
Target spotted.
We're trying to film the creek.
So
Even though it's the same.
hours?
No, 2 more roads.
How much minutes is that?
I don't know exactly. Probably
years.
right, Elijah. That's not. Wait, how much is? You know what? Whatever. I'm gonna name the real. All right. 2,000. Wait, how many minutes is that actually?
How many minutes are in a month?
How many minutes are in a month? That's a good question. Wait, so an hour is 60 minutes. So 60 times 24. Wait a second. So
About 30 or 31.
I don't know. You know what? We'll just answer that later. I'm not answering that now.
1,440 minutes.
Dang! So times like 12.
1,440 minutes a day.
We know that.
So you multiply 1,440 times 30 days.
Dang. Yeah. I'm gonna have to multiply everything. Gonna have to use my calculator.
4,500 minutes.
Dang! Then times 2,000. Oh look, there's the hot spring smoke. Or that's a cloud. That cloud or hot spring smoke?
It'd be hot. It's not smoke. Hot. Steam.
Oh, steam. The road will be closed if it's... Oh, I think it's clouds.
Steve.
There are some low clouds, and it's still raining a bit. It's all foggy, though. It's not really raining anymore. It's just fog. Even Steven. And the storm's going that way. Storm kind of followed us the whole way through. It was raining at the beginning, and it was still raining when we were, like, almost there. Now, look, there's still red clay. All the way up here. We were all the way up here. The red clay doesn't end, guys. It keeps going. There's almost red clay everywhere. There's red clay almost everywhere. Except there's, like, probably, like, a couple parts. There are only a few parts where there aren't red clay. Porter's Landing, our spot, doesn't have red clay, so there's like some areas that doesn't have red clay. Dark Canyon, that's the spot I was talking about. Yeah, remember?
I think that's a day you saw it.
Yeah, that is. Yes, no parking, sunset to sunrise, so. Maybe we could come back here when we're like done camping, I don't know. Depends what you want to do.
No.
Ha! That's okay. That's okay. If you don't want to, it's okay if you don't want to. And I'm gonna respect. And I have to respect your wishes. So I'm not gonna. There is. I just got a phone notification. It was like a. There was literally a YouTube notification. There is service up here. That's a good clickbait title. Service in the mountains. Oh my god, technology's improving. That's a good clickbait title. Thanks for a clickbait title. Making fun of clickbaits.
Hey, look, caves.
I think Grug lives up there from the crew.
Us?
Yeah, Grug from the crew. It's snowing up there. I see snow.
Wait, what?
I found snow, guy. I literally just saw. Not here, but I saw. Look. Oh, that's not snow. I thought I saw snow up there.
Oh, it was just white wheels.
Yeah. I thought I saw snow.
No cabins.
Should it be snowing in the beginning of August?
What it was.
I don't know. That's probably a new
It
record.
snowed in the middle of summer.
No. Where were we?
We were at one of our family members' house. But I don't remember which.
This place is.
I think we were I think we were in Kansas.
At least we will at least get a camping spot. We will get a camping spot, right, Dad?
That's what the goal is.
We went from committed to goal.
Isn't it a probably?
Yes, it's a probably.
Hello.
We went from committed to probably.
Stop.
Elijah, there's really no reason why we wouldn't. There's a bunch of
You'll never find.
I'm pretty sure not that many camping spots up there are taken.
Haha, you'll never find me now.
I see it. I see it.
Aha.
I see
Can't see me now, can you?
I see it.
Get away from me.
No.
I want to be alone.
Keeping it real.
You missed. That's not a slap. This is. That's not it.
Can you guys please stop?
When she stops.
What time I stopped you?
This is how you do it, Riley.
Please. You guys are torturing me.
Slap.
Riley, Elijah, stop. You guys are
please
torturing me.
Stop that handstand.
Okay.
Dang, I've been recording for almost 20 minutes. I don't know.
Taking up all your space.
Yeah.
Well, you can upload a 20-minute video.
This phone has quite a lot of space. I had like I had like a 10-minute. It can take up to like 4 to 7 minutes. It can go up to like 40 minutes, but that's like the max. So I can just end it here. Alright guys, so this is the end of part 2. This is one of the longest videos. This is probably like one of the longest videos of my channel. My longest video is my Fortnite video, and I just like talked
Wait,
to like
how long was
other people.
that?
That was like 30 minutes, and that was with a different phone. Yeah, I deleted it right after.
It takes a while to edit them.
I didn't edit it. That's why it sucked. I'm talking.
Yeah.
Even I think my own videos suck.
I can't wait there.